CREADIS is an international company where we bring together a community of the best engineers with the skills and ambitions to create technologies for a better and more sustainable future. In our Department of Embedded Solutions, you get hands-on experience with the physical products that we make for our customers in collaboration with our skilled engineers.
I really like learning all kinds of very wide competencies in different things, hardware, software, and so on, and I really get to do that here.
I enjoy the colleagues, the great environment we have.
I get to go out to customers and try a lot of different things and see how they do things.
Instead of working for the customers, we work very much with the customers, meaning that every decision and so on, we coordinate with them and try to make the most value for them in this way.
I feel that we will make a very big difference and create a lot of value for the customer in several ways. We can do a lot of the stuff that they never quite get done normally. We can often think outside of the box and see projects or see problems in a new lights and find creative solutions that they haven't thought of.
If I'm out with customers and I'm presented with a problem that I'm not used to working with, it's always possible for me to get hold of our community of practice and to post that question and have a dialogue in there and to have people chip in with different solutions and different experiences.
Well, it's really cool that I get to visit different customers. I don't just, choose one career path and then I'm locked in and being a specialist in some obscure little sensor or something.
At CREADIS, we strive from working together as a community, and we do what we can to create the best conditions for all employees, and that includes after hours as well.
People like to come to each other and talk and so on, and then we have some Friday bars once in a while. We have what's called like a nerd evening once a month, I think, where people can just work on the projects that they have in the spare time, hobby projects.
I'm very excited about that starting up because that's basically just hacker makerspace out here with, resources.
Even though I work with control systems, I do talk a lot with the mechanics and so on. So we do get a great teamwork feeling.
Whenever we get together, it's a little more special than it would be any other place.
We are DIS. We are CREADIS. Technology is passion. Culture is key.